What if I told you that you could make money while you sleep using cryptocurrency? First, let's start by understanding what cryptocurrency really is. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital money protected by a technology called blockchain. Unlike regular money, cryptocurrencies aren't controlled by banks or governments. This means that transactions can happen faster and cheaper, and they can occur all around the world. The most famous cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of others as well, including Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. Now, let's talk about how cryptocurrency can help you earn passive income. Passive income means making money without constantly working for it. With cryptocurrency, there are several ways to achieve this. 1. Staking. First up is staking. Staking is like putting your cryptocurrency in a secure bank account where you earn interest over time. When you stake your coins, you help secure the network and validate transactions. Different cryptocurrencies have varying staking rewards, and the longer you hold them, the more you could earn. For example, if you stake Ethereum 2.0, you can earn rewards that range from 5% to 20% annually, depending on the network conditions. It's important to pick a cryptocurrency that you believe in and understand how its staking system works. 2. Yield farming. Next is yield farming. Yield farming is where you lend your cryptocurrency to others or provide liquidity to crypto markets. In return, you earn interest or additional tokens based on the amount you lend. Some decentralized finance, DeFi platforms allow you to earn quite a bit through yield farming, sometimes over 20% annually. However, yield farming comes with risks. It's essential to research the platforms you choose, as some can be risky or even prone to hacks. Start small and figure out which strategies work best for you before diving deep. 3. Earning dividends. Another way to earn passive income is through dividend-paying cryptocurrencies. Just like stocks, some cryptocurrencies pay dividends to their holders. When you own these coins, you'll receive regular payments based on the quantity you hold. Coins like NEO and KuCoin shares, KCS, offer dividends that can be a source of steady income. Before investing, check the health and growth potential of the projects that offer dividends. A project with a strong community and active development team is likely to be more stable. 4. Mining. Number 4 is mining. Mining is the process where individuals use their computer power to solve complex mathematical problems for a cryptocurrency network. In return for their work, they get rewarded with coins. While mining can be an avenue to earn coins without buying them, it requires specialized hardware and consumes a considerable amount of electricity. Mining can serve as a form of passive income, assuming you've already made the initial investment in the necessary equipment. However, it's important to calculate energy costs and ensure that it remains profitable for you. 5. Educational platforms. Last but not least, some platforms will reward you with cryptocurrency just for learning. Platforms like Coinbase Earn let you learn about different cryptocurrency projects while earning tokens. This is a simple way to gain knowledge and earn a small amount of cryptocurrency without any financial risk. Choosing the right cryptocurrency. Now that you have some ideas on earning passive income through cryptocurrencies, the next crucial step is choosing the right ones to invest in. Not all cryptocurrencies are created equal. Do your research. Look for projects that have real-world applications or problems they aim to solve. Check the section on the team behind the project, the technology, and community support. A strong community can indicate a healthy project that has a better chance of succeeding. Understanding the risks. While cryptocurrency offers fantastic opportunities for earning passive income, it also comes with significant risks. The market is famously volatile, which means prices can change dramatically in short periods. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Diversifying your investments is key. Instead of investing all your funds into one cryptocurrency, spread them across different ones to reduce your risk. Fraud and scams are also present in the crypto space. Always verify the legitimacy of the platforms you are using, and stay cautious with your decisions. Getting started. If you're ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency, here's a step-by-step guide to get started. Choose a reliable exchange. Start by picking a reputable cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy and sell coins. Some well-known exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. These platforms are user-friendly and designed to help beginners. Create a wallet. Next, you'll need a wallet to store your cryptocurrencies safely. You can choose between hot wallets, connected to the internet, or cold wallets, offline storage. A cold wallet offers more security, which is better for long-term holding. Start small. Begin with a small investment. As you learn more about the market and the various cryptocurrencies, you can increase your investments. It's crucial to learn the ropes before making large commitments. Educate yourself. The crypto space is constantly changing. Stay informed about developments and news. Join online communities and forums related to cryptocurrency. They can be great resources for learning and connecting with fellow investors. Network. Engage with others who are in the same journey. Share insights and learn from their experiences. Networking can provide you with valuable tips and opportunities. Conclusion. Cryptocurrency is an exciting avenue for passive income. Staking, yield farming, earning dividends, and even mining are just a few ways to create income streams. By doing your research, choosing the right projects, and staying cautious, you can tap into the potential of cryptocurrency. Start with small steps and build your knowledge as you go. With the right approach, cryptocurrency can be a powerful tool for passive income. So, are you ready to explore this exciting world and start earning? The possibilities may surprise you.